Recently I drew some avatars for a team I was working with. I do a fair amount of illustration, but I stopped drawing the people that I know a couple years ago. Sometimes this kind of drawing is fun to do, but it's really hard to capture a person's likeness in a way that's kind of complimentary. And since they're usually paying you, it becomes really awkward because you want them to look good and you want them to see themselves the way they think they see themselves, and it's just really hard to pull off, so I stopped doing it. What a traditional caricature artist is doing is they're taking the features that make you look different than everybody else and they amplify those features. Here's a caricature someone once did of me and my wife. They went straight for the nose. Now the avatars that I recently had done, nobody asked for any changes. I was a little surprised. I think it's because I made them super simple. As inspiration, I was using some of those create your own avatar apps where you can grab different pieces parts and build your own. So it turns out there's actually something to this. Cartoonist Scott McCloud explains it this way. The more cartoony a face is, the more people it could be said to describe. It's like the more simple an illustration becomes, the more the details get out of the way and let you interpret it yourself. This is also part of the reason we see faces in everyday objects. I think this theory also plays into why we've seen simpler and simpler web interfaces over the last couple years. Most of the early sites that came onto the web were more marketing focused. Eat this thing, watch this movie, help my family recover their royal inheritance. And in marketing, having a personality, having detail, having all that stuff helps you. Because technology is advanced, we can do so much more with the web and the internet in general. Some of the best design is the design that's invisible, the design you don't see. Marketing sites have personality, that's good for them. But how we've used the internet has evolved. Now we're talking to friends, ordering groceries, making a phone call. This is not to say complex designs don't have a place, but when you're trying to accomplish a task, sometimes the best designs are the designs you don't even see. When I use my phone, I just want to call someone. I don't want to think, hey, this is like dialing a phone. A really detailed interface can get in your way. I like these trends. I like the simple. And thanks for watching. I am Brad Colbo. You can subscribe to this video so you can see more as they come out, and also you can follow me on Twitter for updates. Thanks.